Good morning, West Michigan. I'm Fox 17 Weather Ready meteorologist Terry DeVore joining you live here on this Monday morning. We continue with an air quality advisory in effect as we continue to see the wildfire smoke from Canada continue to stream into the Great Lakes region. And so over the next couple of days, we'll likely see that smoky haze continue to fill our skies. Holland looking out over the downtown area, and you can see that it is still completely dark. Sunrise time not until after 6:30 this morning. And sunset today, for the first time this season, will be prior to 9 p.m. So our days continue to get a little shorter, at least in terms of the minutes of daylight. Temperatures this morning, 50s to around 60 degrees. It is a comfortably cool morning with our actual dew points holding in the 50s this morning. So again, a very comfortable start to the day, and temperatures will rebound very quickly into the 80s this afternoon. Here's a look at the smoke futurecast, and you can see that concentration right along that I-96 corridor. You can see that earlier today we were anticipating that we could see some better air quality over the southern part of Lake Michigan and across the extreme southern part of the state, but you can see that that is going to quickly give way to increased levels of smoke particles in the atmosphere. So overall, look for the smoky sunshine to continue to prevail from start to finish today. Late tonight into early tomorrow, we're going to continue to see the smoke concentration come in, so we actually may end up seeing an air quality advisory issued for tomorrow as well. So the smoky haze continuing through at least tomorrow. The heat and humidity return with a heat wave starting Friday. A mainly dry weather pattern with very low rain chances over the next several days. In fact, it looks like our next best chance of widespread rain may even hold off until sometime early next week. So far this month, we've had every day with temperatures a little bit below average. It's been comfortable though, and as you can see, we've had zero precipitation, and that actually has continued the overall pattern, which has been the hallmark not just this season but the entire year. We're running almost a 6-inch precipitation deficit since the beginning of 2025 and almost a 3-inch precip deficit just since the beginning of June. And you can see our rain chances over the next several days really are very, very low. So as you can see on the future track, we'll see a couple of isolated showers pop up here and there, but not much in the way of any concentrated precipitation, as we see the potential for an isolated shower too, especially along and east of US 131 during the afternoon tomorrow, and then during the afternoon on Wednesday as well. Big areas of rain back to our west. Those will completely miss us as the pattern will shift those almost due south instead of moving them westerly. And as we can see on Lake Michigan, those water temps have taken a huge hit over the last several days. Water temps generally holding in the 50s this weekend into the early part of the week. Waves calm to a foot or two, with once again likely those green flags continuing to fly at the beaches today and tomorrow as well. 7-day forecast shows that warming trend building with highs in the upper 80s to near 90 starting Wednesday into Thursday. Those lows in the 60s to near 70. That's an indication that tropically humid air will be returning, with a forecast of 90 for a high Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and the 8 to 14-day outlook, which takes us into that third week of August with temperatures still much above average in the Great Lakes and Northeast. High temps several days, 80s and 90s.